Hello, welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. Man, these AI robots in 2025 are crazy. They have emotional intelligence. Let's break it down in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We are going dark. Now, some of the key features that these AI robots have is emotion detection. So AI robots use sophisticated sensors, cameras, and microphones to analyze facial expressions, voice tones, body language, and even physiological indicators like heart rate. They have real-time processing, like advanced algorithms that process emotional data in milliseconds, allowing for near instant responses to human cues. They have adaptive learning, so neural networks, right, enable robots to learn from previous encounters, improving their emotional intelligence over time. They have the multimodal interaction, like robots like the Lingxi X2 can interpret emotional states by combining visual, vocal, and facial expression data. They have lifelike behavior, right? Some robots exhibit subtle human-like characteristics, such as breathing motions or small posture shifts to enhance natural interactions. They have applications, right? Like, the emotionally intelligent robots are being deployed in various fields like healthcare, providing companionship to the elderly and assisting in patient care. Education is the next, kind of field, right? Adapting teaching methods based on students' emotional states. Customer service, who imagine arguing with a robot, right? In customer service, they offer empathetic and personalized assistance. In manufacturing, performing precise tasks with accuracy as fine as 0.05 mm. Now, household assistants, handling chores and providing emotional support to the people that need them. Now, there are challenges and considerations, right? So while the advancements are impressive, there are still challenges to overcome, like data privacy. So ensuring responsible handling of secure storage of sensitive emotional data. I don't want you telling people I'm sad or I'm depressed. Cultural adaptation, so teaching robots to accurately interpret emotions across diverse cultural contexts. You have ethical concerns, so addressing issues related to emotional manipulation and over-reliance on robots. I love my robots, right? I love my robots. Now, accessibility is one thing too, right? Overcoming high costs to make the technology more widely available. Now, the feature of how they're able to interpret human emotions is, basically possible because robots use computer vision algorithms to analyze facial expressions and, features. So these systems can detect subtle changes in facial muscles, identify key action units, AUs, associated with specific emotions. They can classify expressions into basic emotion categories like happiness, sadness, and anger. We talked about it a little bit. They have the physiological signals, right? Some robots can measure, signals that infer emotional states like skin conductance, changes due to sweating, which correlates with emotional arousal. They have heart rate and blood pressure variations, EEG signals for brain activity patterns associated with emotions. They have speech and voice analysis, so robots employ speech recognition and natural language processing to detect emotions from like voice tone and pitch variations, speaking rate and rhythm, word choice, and sentiment in speech, content, right? They have body language and gestures. So, they have computer vision systems that analyze body posture, movements, and gestures to interpret emotions. Now, that includes overall body posture, hand and arm gestures, head movements, right? The multimodal integration, advanced emotion recognition systems combine multiple modalities for more accurate detection. So you can't lie to these robots, man. Hey, I'm mad. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. I can detect. Hey, man, don't stop analyzing me. So that's what I have you today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this video and you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the like button and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. See you in the next video.